I know for a fact that you can't wait for summer 2026, and I'm here to make it your best summer yet. Okay, but listen, if you start now, like right now, your summer is going to feel completely different. And if you're asking yourself, I don't know where to start, Nelly, how do I get my glow up before the summer so I can look my best and feel my best for summer 2026? I'm telling you that your summer is going to be completely different. Not just how you look, but the way you exist in it. This isn't another random glow up list that I'm going to share with you. This is the ultimate step-by-step guide to help you become that girl this summer. I tried all these tricks and I'm telling you that you'll be your most confident, most aligned, most healthiest version of yourself, because I'm going to be covering everything, y'all. So stay tuned, take out your notes and start writing down everything that you're going to do. And if you're watching this, make sure you comment, "This is my dream life," down below to start manifesting your dream summer. Before I jump into the video, I want to let you guys know that I already curated a step-by-step guide to help you glow up like no other. And I don't mean the typical tips that I share on my video. I mean a specific step-by-step list with everything that you need to know. Not only how to look better, improve your hair health, but also recipes, workouts, my favorite products, and the perfect skincare routines to help you look your best without having to waste more time watching boring and long videos on how to glow up. The link will be down below, and there is a huge discount going on right now, but there is only around 5 more people who can use it. So make sure you run to the description to get your chance right now. Now let's jump straight into the video. First, your hair, starting now. I have some other videos talking specifically on what I did to improve my hair health when it was fried and short to long and shiny like it is now, but just going over it quick. Your hair is not a fix later thing. If you want long, shiny, healthy hair by summer, the routine needs to start now. So it's great that you found this video. Oil it consistently, stop frying it every day, and find a perfect routine that you can stick to. Because glow ups are slow, but if you start now, by summer your hair is going to look amazing. For hair oils or serums, these are the ones that I personally use and love. None of this is sponsored, by the way, but if you want to find these products directly, they're going to be linked on my Amazon under hair. This is the Moroccan oil treatment that I've been using for so long. I love how soft it leaves my hair after just one use. And I use this as heat protectant, and whenever I want a little bit of shine on my hair, this is the Frizz-Be Gone Super Smoothing Anti-Freeze Hair Serum. Other than that, I always use heat protectant. And if you're way too lazy or find it too annoying to use so many hair oils, I personally love this hair serum. This is the Marc Anthony Grow Long Scalp and Hair Serum. I know there will be people in the comments saying that no serum will grow your hair, but if you oil your hair, it will be in the best conditions and your hair will stop falling out and start growing a lot. If your scalp is in the best, healthiest condition, it's not going to break off, it's not going to fall off. Make sure you wash your hair every time that it's dirty. Don't wait too long to wash it. Don't hair train it. Make sure there's no damage with friction, so sleep on a silk pillow or do loose hairstyles to protect your hair always. As well as don't use hair brushes like this that are going to yank your hair when you want to brush it. Use brushes like this that are not going to yank your hair. I just wanted to make a quick pause. Make sure you wait till the end of the video to get the best tips. Second, build your dream closet starting now. Stop waiting for a whole shopping spree, then just buy the trending pieces that are never gonna make a good outfit. Start building it piece by piece. One top that you love, one pair of jeans that fits perfectly. Buy clothes that are actually going to improve your outfits. And pay close attention to what actually makes you feel confident, not trends. By summer, you're not gonna have a random closet full of useless pieces. You want outfits that make getting dressed effortless. So make sure you start looking on Pinterest at outfits that you love and finding certain pieces that you know you're going to wear and look beautiful in. Many times I've just bought tops or pieces that I personally like in that moment, but then I don't actually have outfits to build. So I started buying dresses, different colors, and things that I didn't really imagine of buying until I saw them online and thought, this is going to look good on me, I'm going to try it. And then I tried it and finally had certain pieces that I love. Third, your body, but in a real way. Not toxic, not extreme. You're going to want to feel your best. So build a routine that you can actually follow. No more abs in 2 weeks that you're never gonna do every day. Move your body, eat real food, drink lots of water. Stop buying things labeled as healthy or fit just because you want to have a dopamine hit of something sweet. Start eating real food that's actually going to help you. And do the 80-20 rule. This doesn't mean you can't ever eat sweets or enjoy a sweet treat. This means eat mostly whole foods. Make sure you hit your protein and fiber intake mostly, as well as carb intake to keep you energized. If you want to be toned for summer, stop eating food that is going to bloat you, such as sodium-filled foods or way too much added sugars. Added sugars is what's bad for you. For example, you could definitely enjoy an ice cream, but the second you eat an ultra-processed dessert, that is definitely going to bloat you. This is less about looking perfect, but about feeling like your best self. It's about feeling more comfortable, energized, and confident in your own body. Because that energy, you can't just fake it and pretend like you're not uncomfortable in your own body. If you feel like you need to make changes, start now. Fourth, your posture and confidence matters most. Stand up straight, shoulders back, walk slower. I'm serious. Half of your confidence is literally just how you carry yourself. Even if you don't feel confident yet, act like it first. Your brain will eventually catch up. I wanted to add up. If you're uncomfortable in your own body, if you're not eating well, if you're not having the best foods, your energy will just stay low. So make sure you also have lots of hobbies. Stop doom scrolling because that's just going to take your energy away. Start getting rid of short form content slowly and find things to fill in your time. Fifth, your mental health. This is the part that people tend to skip. And I'm gonna tell you that it shows by summer. Start small. Gratitude, journaling, discipline, learning how to set boundaries, learn how to be alone without feeling empty. Also learn how to talk to yourself kindly. This glow up cannot be based off of hatred towards yourself. It has to be based off of love toward yourself. I want to become better. I know that I deserve good. I know I deserve to feel like my most confident self, so start from there. Because no glow up is real if you're still feeling miserable inside. Step number 6, slow down. You do not need to fix your entire life in a week. That's why we're starting right now. Pick a few habits and stick to them. Build a routine that feels calm and not chaotic. And make sure you romanticize your life a little. Or more like a lot. Go outside, read, try out new hobbies. Summer is going to hit different when your life is already full. 7, learn how to capture your life. This is personally one of my favorite steps. Start now. Take pictures, film little clips. Even if no one sees them, you could start vlogging. Learn how to build those memories before you actually get to the real thing. And if you want to create content, this is how you get good at it. Not by waiting, but by doing badly first. So if you want to start vlogging your summer, if you're gonna go on a Euro trip and you want to record all of it and make the best clips, make sure you start practicing now. If you have a budget and you actually want to start and get good at it, I would personally get a camera if you're really into it. You don't need to get the best, newest camera. You don't need to splurge. There are many other options on the market that you might like more, because if you want to make your Instagram feed insane, a camera is really going to help you with that. So never be scared to start creating content or start making your Instagram feed pretty, because those memories are going to be worth it in 5 or 10 years. Step 8, your pamper routine. And this is non-negotiable. Once a week or once a month, whenever you have time, do a hair mask, your nails, exfoliate, do everything. This is an extra. It's maintenance. I have a video already up on my channel. I'm gonna put the picture up here where I mention all of the things that I recommend doing or that I personally do that are high maintenance, that help me stay maintenance the rest of the time. If you start some of them now, by summer, you're going to look amazing. It keeps you feeling constantly put together, even when life is a little messy. And especially when you're on trips, it's really hard to stay maintenance when you're not at home. And finally, one of the most important steps, visualize your summer. Make it very specific. What does it look like? What do you look like? What are you wearing? How do you feel? Who are you gonna be with? Make a vision board, write it down, because if you don't know what you're working toward, it's really hard to get there. I would personally go on Pinterest, do a little vision board, even if it's just another Pinterest board, or you could also print it out and put it on your wall. This is really going to help you become that version of yourself that you want to become for summer, because you have all of those steps planned out and constantly visible visible. If you start now, slow, consistent, intentional, by the time summer comes, it's not going to feel like a thread glowing up overnight. It's going to be noticeable that you've been working toward your goals. It'll feel like you just became that version of yourself naturally. That girl you've been dreaming of this whole time. And that's the goal. Thank you so much for watching, y'all, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye!